Another Microsoft app that you may want to incorporate in your course is the app called Mural. Mural is a virtual tool that allows both instructors and students to work collaboratively using digital whiteboards. To get started with Mural, you can access it through your Microsoft Outlook email by selecting the waffle menu in the top left-hand corner and then searching the apps until you locate the Mural icon. If you're unable to locate the Mural icon, select All Apps and search further in their search bar. You'll be brought to their home page in a new tab, and this is where you'll use the pink button to sign up for an account for free using your Lakeland email. I already have an account, so I'm going to press Sign In instead. Once you log in, you'll be brought to your home page or your dashboard, and this is where you'll see any murals that you're currently working on, as well as suggested templates based on your current mural uses. I do want to point out that Mural is not 100% free, but you do have up to 3 free murals per account. They do have a paid version, and if Mural is something that you're enjoying and you want to access the paid version, you can select the link right here to get more pricing information. Mural is also an app that you can integrate into Microsoft Teams, which I will demonstrate in another video. So from the home page, you can click into a mural that you're currently working in, or you can create from templates or a blank canvas. You can also toggle between murals that you have, the template library, as well as a learning tab that has videos and guides to walk you through any of your mural questions. I'm going to select the pink button on top that says Create Mural to get started. Before you get started, they will let you know that all of the members will be able to see your workspace, and then you can just press the Create Open Mural option. You can start from a blank canvas and build up your whiteboard, or you can select from Mural's template library. What's nice about Mural is they have a large variety of templates that really can meet anyone's needs. And their templates are all editable, so you can make changes within the template to better suit the needs for your course. Below they have different categories, or you can type in a simple search to narrow down the type of template you're looking for. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to select a template, and then I'm going to select Create Mural, and it will generate your mural for you, and you'll be brought to your workspace. So from here, you can use your mouse to click and drag. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and then they have this navigation icon in the bottom right hand corner that allows you to click anywhere in your mural template, as well as change your navigation options. Like I said before, all of their pre-made templates are 100% editable, so you can eliminate, change as needed. So within a template, you can click on any item, and you can lock items to keep it from moving. You can unlock items so you can simply change work or eliminate text boxes as needed. On the left-hand side, you will see a number of tools. The first one is text, which if you just think about them as text boxes, you can create sticky notes of all different shapes and sizes, and you can even leave comments. They also have shapes and connectors, icons. You can search for images right within Mural, or you can bring in your own images. There's framework options, tables. You can create a content library, as well as bring in your own files from your computer. On top, this is where you can name your mural. They have undo and redo buttons. You can have a voting session, which might be handy if a group is working on a project and they need to vote on an idea. You can select a private mode. You can customize your toolbar. They even have a laser pointer that might be useful in a presentation situation. And they also have a timer where you can set a timer for a specific time and an alarm will go off when the time is up. And you will also see what role you play within the workspace. On the right hand side, this is where you will see other tools that are available, such as sharing, downloading. Mural has a chat option, which is useful for when multiple group members are working, and this way they can communicate in the chat while working within their template. There's comments that can be left and opened. So as an instructor, you may stop in groups' murals as they work on a project, and you can leave comments for them to review before moving on. You can see an activity log. You can search within your template, and you can also see an outline. So I'm going to go back to my home page or my dashboard because I have a template already built up as a demonstration. So in this template, you can see that I've made some changes to the original template. I've brought in images from Mural. I've added text. I've also brought in sticky notes where I've shown the ability to write comments or responses. Now let's say we want to bring this template into our Blackboard course for students to work on as part of an assignment or project. So this is where you're going to look on the top right hand corner and you're going to use this share option. And there's two different sharing tabs. One is for members and one is for visitors. So members are going to be the students that you want to have the ability to edit or add to the workspace. So you can share the link by copying it or you can email it. The most important thing is to remember that you want to make sure workspace members have the ability to edit. Visitors, so this might be once all projects are done and you want to share out all groups' projects to the rest of the class. This is where you can share a visitor link and visitors can only view, or you can change it to no access if you prefer. So once you have the member link set to editing, you can email this to students directly, or I'm going to copy the link and then I'm going to go over to my Blackboard course shell. And you can place this within a weekly content folder. You can build content by simply adding a web link, or this might be something that you want to go in and you want to assign these links to specific groups. So I have two groups set up where I would link one template to the first group and then I would go back in and I'd link the second template to the other group. So the groups are working on their own workspaces and not within the same. So this is just another tool that you can use to help promote teamwork and collaboration in your course.